Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to withdraw a bonus from Trendo app. Start by opening the app. If you're looking to convert your bonus trading profits into real cash but aren't sure about the process, here's a clear and straightforward explanation. When you register on Trendo, you may receive a bonus account, typically $10 or $100. To become eligible for withdrawal, you must trade 0.01 lots and achieve a minimum of 200 pips each week for 4 consecutive weeks. After the 1-month period, Trendo's support team will review your trading history to verify that you've met the required pip target. Once approved, open the Trendo app, go to your profile section, and select Withdraw. Enter the profit amount available for withdrawal, confirm the request, and complete any necessary KYC verification steps. Trendo states that withdrawals can take up to 48 hours, though many users receive their funds within a few hours. Simply follow the guidelines, trade consistently for 4 weeks, reach the required targets, and you'll be able to withdraw your bonus earnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.